for choosing Chan Brothers Travel. Now that your tour is confirmed, we are sure that you must be eagerly awaiting your dream holiday. This pre-departure video will provide you with all the essential information that you need as you prepare to travel. Two to 3 days before departure, you will be contacted by staff from Chan Brothers Travel. This could be your tour leader or your airport check-in staff. We will do our best to honour all airline seat requests. However, this is still subject to airline seat availability and certain restrictions placed on group tickets. Also, do be reminded that infants do not have a designated seat on the plane or on tour. Should you require further assistance or clarification, feel free to give your tour leader a call. For groups with no tour leaders, do approach our friendly travel advisors or drop us an email. Did you know about our customer loyalty program? Chan Brothers Travel Club members will earn points after every trip and use these points to offset your next holiday with us. Our lifetime membership is free, so if you would like to sign up, do approach your travel advisor or self-register online at our website. Do bring along a cap or hat for protection against the elements. All sharp objects should be checked in. This includes shavers and nail cutters. Bring along a water bottle to refill water. This could save you money from buying bottled water, and it also saves the world. For the shopaholics, you could also bring an extra foldable bag to store your excess shopping souvenirs. A full range of toiletries may not be available at all hotels, so it's best to bring your own personal set. Bring along a face mask for common courtesy in case you fall sick. Be an environmentally conscious traveller. Bring an ecologically friendly shopping bag on your travels. Many small shops may not provide shopping bags. It is recommended to have your name and a usable contact number displayed on the luggage tag. Chan Brothers Travel luggage tags are available at our offices. Please ensure that all check-in bags are clearly labelled and securely locked. Use a TSA lock for added security. If your lock breaks, no worries, a cable tie will do the same trick. As group seat tickets are purchased from the airline at non-market rates, there can be no mileage accrual for such tickets. However, do bring along your membership cards to enjoy the airport lounge and membership services. Do remember to bring your passport. Please ensure that all travellers' passports have at least 6 months validity as of the return date. Do remember to switch off all the lights before you go out. While we hope for everything to be smooth sailing, sometimes unforeseen circumstances could throw a wrench in your holiday plan. This is where travel insurance comes into play. Such instances can include extensive flight delays, loss of luggage, loss of travel documents, illness, and hospitalization. You are advised to take up a comprehensive travel insurance policy to protect yourself against unfortunate incidents that could happen while on tour. Sometimes, a medical emergency could lead to tour cancellation. While your deposit could be forfeited, certain insurance also covers the forfeited deposit. If you have an annual plan, make sure to check that your plan is still valid. Do take a picture of a policy number and save the emergency contact into your phone. If you are on medication, please bring enough medicine to last the whole trip. It may not be convenient to replenish or buy your medicine while on the tour. All liquids, aerosols, and gels in hand-carry luggage must be carried in containers of not more than 100 ml each and placed in a transparent resealable plastic bag. All lithium batteries have to be hand-carried. This includes devices with inbuilt lithium batteries such as laptops, smartphones, and power banks. Each passenger may only bring up to 2 power banks. Bring outerwear if you are traveling to winter countries in case the luggage does not arrive the same time as you. Don't forget to pack an umbrella and your reading glasses. Water bottles in your hand carry have to be emptied at check-in or otherwise discarded. To call Singapore, dial country code 0065 or +65 before your phone number. Check with your service provider for auto roaming services or purchase an overseas data plan from a telco. Some hotels may charge for Wi-Fi service. Major credit cards are widely accepted in hotel shops, boutiques, and restaurants. Goods brought into Singapore valued at more than $600 are subject to prevailing GST. Check-in is 2 hours before departure. You will meet your tour manager or check-in staff at the check-in row. You may be required to fill up immigration cards upon entering your destination country. Please be punctual at all times to ensure smooth tour proceedings for everyone. Should there be automated check-in machines, our friendly colleague will assist you. You're only allowed one piece of check-in luggage. You may have to pay for overweight luggage. Cabin baggage should not exceed a total of 115 centimeters in combined length, breadth, and height. For low-cost carriers, baggage allowance may be chargeable. We hope the information provided has been useful, and we thank you for choosing Chan Brothers Travel. We wish you a wonderful holiday ahead. Goodbye!